In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the invitation bonus on Cash App and make some free money. This is perfect for anyone who wants to earn a little extra income on the side. I've personally referred people and successfully earned bonuses, so I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do the same. First, open the Cash App on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the section that says, Invite Friends, Get $5, or it may show a different amount depending on the current promotion. Tap on that section to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to share your unique invitation link. Tap the Share icon, which usually looks like an arrow with a bracket underneath. From here, you can copy your invitation link, or send it directly to friends, family, or even share it on social media. For demonstration purposes, you could copy it and paste it somewhere, like your notes, so you have it ready to share. The prompt from Cash App usually says something like, "Hey, I've been using Cash App to send money and spend using the Cash App card. Try it using my code and we'll each get $5, and it includes your unique link." A tip that I've found helpful is to share this link in content or posts where people are looking for easy ways to send money or alternatives to other payment methods. For example, if you make videos showing how to send money without PayPal or other services, you can include your referral link in those videos. That way, viewers can sign up for Cash App and claim the bonus, and you earn yours too. Keep in mind that Cash App's referral bonus can change from time to time. Sometimes the bonus is $5, other times it could be $10 or $15, depending on the promotion they're running. Even with those changes, it's still a simple way to earn free money just by inviting friends to join. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.